Good day everyone, Hui Yu here. In this video, I'll be showing you this Malaysia 2nd series 10 ringgit notes. But before I take a closer look at the notes, let's take a look at what the book can tell us. Right, the 2nd series is used around 1972 to 1976. And the Bank Negara Governor at that period is Tun Ismail bin Muhammad Ali, and this is the signature of Tun Ismail bin Muhammad Ali, and this is how the overall 10 ringgit design look like. The size of the notes is 133 mm times 79 mm, and the printer for these notes Thomas Deleru, TDLR stand for Thomas Deleru. Alright, I shall leave this book in case you want to check price, and here have all the prefix detail in case you want to copy it. Do take note that the price are just a guidance, it does not reflect the current market price. Price may go up and down depending on certain situation. You can pause the video if this is too short for you to read anything. Alright, now let's take a look at the notes. Alright, this is how the front part of the notes look like. I shall leave it like this for 10 seconds. I shall leave this like that for another 10 seconds for you to enjoy. A few things to take note is, here is the printer name in case you want to check. When you buy, you want to check. How to identify this from the first series is by looking at the word. Because the first series using the old Malay language called Sapulu. This is the old Malay language. This is the first series. This is the second series. And to identify this from the third series, this is the third series. So to identify this from the second and third series is by looking at the third series. This is the second. Of course, the most you also can base on the prefix, which just now I show you. Alright, let me pause the video for a while to show you the watermark. Alright, do take note that the watermark is not an Argon watermark. This is a Tiger watermark. Right, as you know, there are some people who claim they have some Argon watermark. Please beware, those are scam. The original watermark is Tiger, so do not buy any notes that show Argon watermark. If you want to confirm my story, you can check with the Bank Negara what watermark they use for this period. But I'm still not sure whether they're entertaining, you know, but just beware of those Argon watermark. If you like what I do, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And if you're watching it from TV, don't forget to upload my post that is sharing about it. Have a nice day everyone. Goodbye.